You got to stop doing this. Okay. Amazon influencers. Okay, great. You got approved for the program. You got approved. You're an Amazon influencer. That's great. You're uploading your 3 videos. Okay, that's what you got to do. You have to upload 3 videos to get approved for placements and on-site commissions. Okay, there's a lock on your top left of your page. Until that lock is gone, only upload 3 videos. If you upload more than 3 videos, they're going to review more than 3 videos. If you upload 50 videos, you're going to be waiting months because they're going to review every video. Upload 3 videos, upload your 3 best videos, and then wait. It could take a month, could take 2 months. Some people it's taken 6 to 8 weeks. Okay? Wait. Don't upload any more videos, just those 3. You can make more videos, have them ready in your computer, in your memory, and when you're approved and the lock is gone, you can dump them all in one day. You can upload, I think, up to 50 videos in one day. No big deal. All right? But only upload those 3 videos to start. You've been approved for Amazon Influencer Program. Great. You're not approved for on-site commissions until the lock is gone. If you upload more than 3 videos, they're going to review more than 3 videos, and any small infraction can get you denied. 3 denials and you're out. Never again to be able to apply to the program. You have 3 chances to get these 3 videos approved. I was denied my first 2 times, and boy, was I sweating. Upload 3 videos, your best videos. Adhere to the terms and services. Hey, subscribe to the channel if you want to learn more about the Amazon Influencer Program, how to get through the beginning, how to get approved, how to get started, and how to get the ball rolling and start earning hundreds of dollars a day. Click the link in the description if you want to learn more about being an Amazon influencer. Join the Volley. Join Volley. I have a link down there for Volley where we discuss Amazon influencers, shopable videos, going live, and all of that stuff. Go to Volley. Check it out. Don't be afraid. Volley's a great app. Yeah, check it out.